हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम ए साइंस टीचर। होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे, रोज़ नई नई चीज़ें सीख रहे होंगे। सो लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज़ वर्क। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू द एक्सरसाइजेज ऑफ लेसन 2 प्लांट्स आवर फ्रेंड्स। ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, write the date on the right side of your page. Today is 9th 5th 2020. On the next line, write CW, classwork, underline it. Student, I have noticed that many of you are not underlining the headings. मैंने कई कॉपीज़ चेक की और उसमें मैंने देखा कि आप लोगों में से कई लोग हैं जो अंडरलाइन नहीं करते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट, प्लीज़ अंडरलाइन द हेडिंग, बिकॉज इससे क्या होगा, जो हेडिंग है वो हाईलाइटेड रहेगी और इट विल लुक ब्यूटिफुल ऑल्सो। लेसन 2, प्लांट्स our friends. All right, just underline it. On the next line, we will write the name of the exercise, that is exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Students, you have to write this in your science fair copy. ये सारा काम आपको साइंस की फेयर कॉपी में करना है। एंड प्लीज़ डू वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क। बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरा अच्छे से काम करिएगा, अंडरलाइन करके करिएगा। डेट, लेसन नंबर, everything should be there. All right, so let's start. Number 1, wheat, rice and maize are wheat, rice and maize are, what are they? You have to choose the correct option. Pulses, B. Spices, cereals. So what are they? They are the cereals. Put a tick mark on cereals. Wheat, rice, maize are cereals. I have told you multiple times, मैं कई बार आपको बता चुकी हूँ that rice, maize, wheat, bajra, millet, all these are cereals which we eat. They are very healthy and nutritious. All right, so let's move to the number 2. Number 2 is which of the following is not obtained? not obtained from plant. You have to pay attention on not. ये ऐसी चीज़ का नाम बताना है जो प्लांट से नहीं मिलती है. So you should focus on not. Don't get confused मत होइएगा, यहाँ पे not लिखा हुआ है. Alright. So number 1, chocolate, CHOCOLATE, chocolate. Number 2, paper. Number C, pen. So you all must be knowing the answer. Which of the following is not obtained? इनमें से क्या चीज़ें नहीं मिलती हैं? चॉकलेट किससे मिलता है? Yes, right, it is from plant. Which plant? Coca bean. We get chocolate from coca bean. Paper, we get paper from bamboo plant. पेपर कहाँ से मिलता है हमको? We get paper from the bamboo plant. And pen किस चीज़ से बनी होती है? It is made up of plastic or steel also used. So it is not obtained from plant. ये हमें plant से नहीं मिलता है. So we have to answer which of the following is not obtained from plant. ऐसी चीज़ का नाम बताना है जो plant से नहीं मिलता है. So the answer will be pen. Put a tick mark on pen. Let's move to the number 3. Fibers from cotton plants are used to make fiber which we get from cotton plant से जो fiber मिलता है it is used to make, उससे क्या बनता है? We have to answer from these options. A, cloth. B, glue. C, soap. So fibers which we get from cotton plants से मिलता है cotton, and cotton is converted into thread में convert होता है, and thread is converted into cotton clothes. उससे क्या बनते हैं? cotton के clothes बनते हैं. So the answer will be clothes. Put a tick mark on clothes. Alright, so these are the 3 questions which you have to write in your science fair copy. Alright, please students do very neat and clean work. Yesterday we learned some of the hard words of lesson 2. Hope आप लोगों ने learn कर लिया होगा. Students, now today you have to write this in your classwork copy. And now you just write down your homework for today. You have to draw and color kidney bean. Kidney bean means rajma, and it is a type of a seed. So you have to draw and color it in your science fair copy. Alright, so you have to draw and color kidney bean. I'll show you the diagram also. It is there in your book. So this is a diagram of a kidney bean. You have to draw only one seed, or not any other, only one. You have to draw kidney beans. All right. So you just complete your work. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.